Guys, welcome back to another Cook With Me series. Today I'll take you back in the kitchen with me and I'll show you how I prepared my curry coconut chicken. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment, and tell a friend to tell another friend about Callie J's Kitchen. You can also follow me on Facebook, it's Callie J's Kitchen. Follow me on Instagram, it's CallieKitchen_1, and make sure you turn on that post notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. So I went ahead and seasoned my chicken already. I basically seasoned my chicken with some all-purpose seasoning, some chicken seasoning. I also added my curry powder and some black pepper and a few pieces of garlic. That's basically it. So I added a small amount of vegetable oil to my pot that I'm gonna cook my curry coconut chicken in, and I added my curry powder. As you can see, allow it to burn, and you don't want it to burn too much, you don't want it to get dark, so you have to monitor this. All right, so I'm gonna go in and add my chicken, and again, you always want to ensure that you combine everything together once you added all of the chicken. All right, so make sure you pay attention, and also you want to turn down your heat on the lowest heat possible. So as you can see, I added all of the chicken, so I'm going to combine everything together, cover this and leave this for roughly about 10 minutes on the lowest heat. Then I'll come back and show you guys what it looks like. All right, stay tuned for that. Alright guys, so after 10 minutes, this is what my chicken looks like. As you can see, it's coming along. So I'm using coconut milk powder today. I went ahead and mixed that out as well. You guys don't have to use the coconut milk powder. You can always go ahead and use the authentic coconut milk, alright? So the plate that I seasoned my chicken in, I'm gonna go ahead and just pour my coconut milk in it, because we want to get all of that seasoning, and we're just gonna go ahead and just pour it over our chicken. All right, and of course I'm gonna go in and add some onion. I'm not adding any bell peppers, to this recipe, guys. I'm gonna add Scotch bonnet pepper, but if you guys wanna add some of the bell peppers, you can always go in and add bell peppers, but wait until it's finished cooking. All right, because I find out once you add when you're cooking curry and you add the bell pepper to it like this, now it take away all of that flavor. So add it to it when you're almost finished. Of course, I'm going to add some pimento berries and combine everything together. We're not going to add any more seasoning or anything. Just combine everything together. Leave it to just cook down. Then we're going to come back and add some potatoes. For the potatoes, I already diced them up, placed them on the stove, and allow them to just cook a little. Not for long, about 3 minutes. And then I'm going to pour it over the chicken. So this is my potatoes. As I said earlier, I'm gonna pour it in the chicken, and then I'm gonna combine everything together, cover it, leave it to just cook down, and then I'll come back and show you guys the final product of my curry coconut chicken. So guys, this is the final product. So I'm gonna serve this up with some white rice and some tomatoes on the side, and also I'm gonna sprinkle a little bit of parsley flakes and show you guys the final finishing product. Alright guys, so this is the final product of my curry coconut chicken. I hope you guys enjoy this recipe. I hope you guys try this recipe at home. Remember to turn on your post notification bell. Remember to subscribe to my channel. Remember to share. Remember to tell a friend to tell another friend about Kali J's Kitchen. Thank you guys so much for cooking with me today. And see you guys tomorrow for another awesome cook with me recipe. Bye.